So we're in the ep3. We had some technical difficulties. It's been what I would say like a year. Have never driven it. You?
Nope.
Right? Never. First time. We're in the car now with the AC going. Yesterday we did all this shit and then it didn't want to start. We did the coils. We did. And it's totally a mess. Like, this thing is fucking trash. But we have to take it for a ride. It's never been for a ride since we got it. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. I'm sure it's gonna be fine tuning because we did the coilovers, we did the K-tune, fucking inner and outer tie rods. Yeah. So a lot of tuning, fine tuning, and stuff like that. So let's see how it goes.
A lot of adjustments.
A lot of adjustments. I'm sure it's gonna need more. Oh, yeah. And then yeah, that issue turned out to be the no start was he figured it out. It was the fuse box under the dash, and then I put it inside the RSX, and now the RSX won't run because we took it from the RSX. Who knew?
Straight fit.
Straight fit, even though Google said it doesn't. So there's always that. All right.
All right. So we ain't got another way of holding the phone. So guess I'm doing the honor.
Yeah.
All right.
Here we go.
First test.
I'm rusty at driving manual, man. Think it's gonna make the driveway? It's so low.
Might not clear that lip, if anything. Yeah, she got lips on her, so really low.
No rubbing. Hear the tires squealing?
Yeah, the tires rubbing for sure.
I think it's the alignment. Yeah, it's the alignment because I'm not even turned all the way. Oh yeah, fine tuning.
So it's making some clunking noise. Sorry for all the bumpiness, guys.
Yeah, coilovers. Ooh, yeah, that's alignment. Definitely gotta tweak the straight alignments. Oh, it goes to the left. See? Gotta go, dog. It doesn't like to take left turns, that's for sure.
Other than that alignment, everything's looking pretty good.
Yeah, alignment needs to be tweaked to the left. Yeah. I think, no, wait, to the right. Something like that. We'll figure it out. First ride, though.
First ride, looking good.
Remember, the brakes got to be broken in, all that shit is new.
I like taking it for a test drive, but, you know, my feet don't reach.
Oh, that's bump steer. Yeah, something's wrong. Yeah, it went left, right.
Well, we kind of just eyeballed that.
Yeah, we did. I already knew.
We're definitely off.
I already knew it was going to be some fine tuning to do.
Oh yeah.
Coilovers are not too bad, but these are the cheap Fapple ones, so we're taking them out. We're just, you know, so we can drive it.
Yeah, we're gonna put the Megan Racing.
We're gonna put the Megan Racing ones with the 32 damper. It's definitely jumpy.
All right. What you thinking? Another, what, like 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Another week or two?
Yeah, once it's running good, it's gonna be on the road. Gonna put it on the road. Once, you know, all the test driving is good.
Mm-hmm.
All the parts, and you know, there's so much still to do. I got to put decals, I got the pedals to put in, I got to wire up the system,
Yeah, we still got a lot to do.
There's still a lot of parts to fucking, like the fine finishing shit. But I gotta stop because you gotta drive it. I didn't do this alone.
I can't drive it. I don't reach the pedals.
Yes, you reach the pedals. Yes, you do. Come on. We got a booster seat upstairs.
Yeah?
Yeah, if you want a booster seat. We'll get you a booster seat, bro. Oh, great. Man first? Yeah, man first. Yo, I'm so fucking rusty at manual.
Oh, imagine me. I haven't driven.
When you take the turns just easy. You hear it now? That's... I don't know why it's doing that.
Let's bring it to...
I think that's the rotors.
Alright guys, we'll keep you updated.
So, conclusion guys. So, we adjusted the inner and outer tie rods. No, the only thing is we never preloaded the coilovers, which these are the Fapo cheap ones, so they're coming off. We'll preload the new ones, the Megan Racing ones. There's still so much to do. This is far from over. But actually was able to drive this motherfucker for the first time around the block. Couldn't drive it. It was in an accident. It was, well, you guys know if you've been following along. It used to be silver. It was in an accident. Smashed in the front. Radiator busted. You know. So, but yeah. I'm going to make this video and I'm probably going to send it to the previous owner because he wants to see if I can bring it back to life and fix it. I think I did that. What do you think, Louis? Back to life?
Yeah, for sure.
My advice is don't get no project car. This shit sucks, bro. My back hurts. My legs hurt.
1 whole year.
Yeah, fucking a year, man.
1 whole year and we're still not done.
And thousands of dollars, man. I don't even want to tell you what I'm into this fucking thing for.
The inside, we haven't even buttoned up.
Oh, I don't want. It's so nasty, bro. All right, I'll show you. It's fucking disgusting. It's nasty. It's fucking... Yeah, because we're still working on it, so...
Still got a lot of stuff to put on.
Yeah, a lot of stuff. You know, but... Alright, guys, till next time. This is just a EP3 update. And we will eventually be... I don't know. We're going to do something. Maybe Louis' car. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, guys.